In this video, I'll walk you through the process of downloading and installing NordVPN on both iOS and Android devices. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Use my affiliate link in the description to create an account for 70% off and 3 months extra. Using NordVPN on iOS and Android makes secure and encrypted internet browsing, protecting your data from hackers. It also enables access to geo-restricted content, enhancing your online experience. To download and install NordVPN on your iPhone or Android, the process is simple and straightforward. For iPhone users, the first step is to go to the App Store, while Android users will need to head over to the Google Play Store. Once you're in the appropriate App Store, you'll need to use the search bar at the top to type in NordVPN. After you find the NordVPN app in the search results, simply click on the button that says Get if you're using an iPhone or Install for Android devices. The app will begin downloading, and once the download is complete, it will automatically install on your device. Now that NordVPN is installed on your device, it's time to create an account and choose a subscription package that best fits your needs. To do this, open up a web browser on your phone and visit the official website at nordvpn.com. Once on the website, look for the button that says Get NordVPN and click on it. This will take you to the page where you can select a plan. Here, you will have the option to choose between different subscription packages, such as yearly or monthly plans. For this video, we'll choose the basic monthly plan by scrolling down and selecting it. Click Get Basic to proceed. Next, you'll need to create your NordVPN account. Enter your email address when prompted, and then proceed to the checkout section where your order summary will be displayed. This summary will show the details of the plan you selected. Scroll down a little further, and you'll see the different payment methods available. Choose your preferred payment option to finalize your purchase. Once your payment is confirmed, your NordVPN account will be activated, and you will receive an email containing your login details. With your account now active, it's time to set up the VPN app on your phone. Open the NordVPN app that you previously installed. Upon launching the app, you'll be greeted with a login screen. Enter the login credentials that were sent to you via email. After logging in, you're ready to start using NordVPN. From the main screen of the app, you can either scroll through the list of available countries and select a server manually, or use the Quick Connect button at the top, which will automatically connect you to the nearest and fastest server. Once connected, NordVPN will protect your browsing activity, and you can access the internet as if you're located in the server's country. And that's it. You're now ready to securely browse the internet using NordVPN on your iPhone or Android device. If you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Use my affiliate link in the description to create an account for 70% off and 3 months extra. See you in the next one.